All right, so next couple of examples I'm going to do are broken out separately because they're both they're in quadrants 3 and 4 on the Argand diagram, and that does have a slight difference in how we write them in in polar form. So our complex number here is 2 root 3 minus 2i. So our rough Argand diagram, 2 root 3 minus 2, it will be down here. So just marking in our modulus and our angle. So we'll work out the modulus first. Square root of a squared plus b squared. So that is the square root of 2 root 3 squared plus minus 2 squared. So that is 2 squared is 4. Root 3 squared is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus minus 2 squared is 4. That's equal to root 16, which is 4. Okay, the squaring out of 2 root 3 there, easy to make a mistake on. Just do it on the calculator, you'll get the 12 straight away. So our modulus is 4. Let's work out our angle then as well. So there's our right angled triangle. There's our right angle. Here's the angle we want. This is 2 root 3. And again, we're just dealing with this as a triangle. So I won't write this as minus 2. I'll just write it as 2. Okay. In other examples you see elsewhere, they might use minus ones. I tend not to. So it's tan again. This is opposite. This is adjacent. So the tan of theta is 2 over 2 root 3. That's 1 over root 3. If you don't notice that, it doesn't really matter, because if you do the tan inverse of 2 over 2 root 3, it will come out in the wash anyway. So tan inverse of 2 over 2 times root 3 is 30. Just putting in the multiplication sign there because I can't remember if this is one of those things, but sometimes the calculator doesn't like if you kind of just do 2 root 3, it doesn't interpret it as multiplication. So just sometimes put it in to be safe. Anyway, 30 degrees is our angle. Now, we always measure this angle, what's called the argument of the complex number, from here. So from this line. So in the previous examples I did, it was between 0 and 180. You might be tempted here to say it is maybe 330 degrees, but we always measure it from here. So I'm actually going to say that it's minus 30 degrees. Okay, so when you're in polar form down here and down here, your angle is going to be negative and you're measuring from this line. Okay, so into polar form then, z is equal to, or is 4 times cis, and it's minus 30. And that's that one done.